Rat rod racing is more than just a contest of speed. It's a spectacle of creativity, attitude, and rebellion, especially at the start line. Over the decades, racers have forged unique start line rituals using DIY materials and wild imagination. Some slap the hood with a grease-soaked rag, a nod to their car's rough and ready spirit and the countless hours spent wrenching in makeshift garages. Others ignite homemade smoke bombs or spin rusted hubcaps, sending plumes skyward as a chaotic salute to the crowd and the gritty origins of their machines. Many racers personalize their rituals, wearing custom welded helmets, revving engines in sync with an old boombox blasting rockabilly tunes, or even spraying the tires with a concoction of cola and sand for last-minute grip on the drag strip. These practices are born from necessity, camaraderie, and a deep sense of individuality that defines rat rod culture. The rituals aren't just for show, they're a way to focus, bond with fellow racers, and honor the roots of rat rod culture, where nothing is store-bought, and every piece tells a story. Each start line transforms into a stage celebrating the DIY ethos and rebellious spirit at the heart of rat rod racing.